Lingraway Automate Pintuck Sewing Machine. Applicable for shirts, home textiles, and other fields of pleating PTV processing. Be suitable for woven fabric and elastic knitted fabric. One worker can operate 4 machines simultaneously, effectively saving labor costs. It reduces the manual skill requirements and greatly improves the user experience and efficiency. Computer PLC display screen operation interface. Input the required data in advance before work, the length and width of each pleat, and the distance between each pleat and pleat can be precisely adjusted, and the system will automatically calculate the production capacity and optimize the production process. Precise system control. Stable sewing. To ensure high-quality products, but also greatly improve the production efficiency.